welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically sync tasks from a Google Sheet to Google Tasks based on their status, like not yet started, in progress, or completed. Here's what we'll build: a Google Sheet where you manage your project tasks with WBS, and each task has a status. With a single click, tasks will be sent to Google Tasks and sorted into lists based on their status. First, create a new Google Sheet. Add the headers, WBS ID, task name, and status. Fill in a few sample rows, just like this. Next, go to Extensions App Script. This opens the scripting environment where we'll write our automation code. Replace any default code with the script. It reads the sheet, checks task statuses, and creates corresponding tasks in Google Tasks. This script checks if the lists already exist, creates them if needed, then loops through each row and adds the task to the right list. Before this works, we need to enable the Google Tasks API. Follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on the gear icon, Project Settings. Step 2. Click Google Cloud Platform Project link. Step 3. Open GCP Console in New tab. Step 4. Search Tasks API and click Enable. Step 5. Go back to AppScript. Save the project on the drive and rename the project. Back in AppScript, click the Run button. The first time, it'll ask for permissions. Review and allow them. Once the permissions are reviewed and allowed, click the Run button. Now open the spreadsheet where you have created the WBS of the project. You can see that there is a pop-up showing Tasks Synced Successfully, which indicates the code has been run successfully. Now open tasks.google.com and you'll see 3 new lists: not yet started, in progress, and completed, each with your WBS tasks. Here we can see that the WBS 1.3 is listed once in the sheet, but is appearing 3 times in completed. It's probably because that WBS value is being reinserted because blank/partial rows are generating the same normalized task title multiple times. You can visually check if there are phantom rows by scrolling to the bottom of your sheet. If you see any stray rows with partial data or accidental spaces, delete them. Here is the modified version of the code. And that's it. You've just automated project task syncing between Google Sheets and Google Tasks. Super useful for project managers, teams, or personal productivity. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to automate next.